intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to third part of the PC build series. In my previous video, I have shown the PC cabinet which I'll be using for my build. If you have not checked out, I'll leave a link in the description box. So in this video, I'll be showing you the monitor I have selected for my build. This is Acer Nitro ED0 series. It's a 27-inch curved gaming monitor, specifically ED270R S3 model. This is how the box looks. I'll just open it and show you what are the things we get inside the box. We get user manual, one DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable. This is a monitor stand, and a power adapter. And this is the monitor. First, I'll quickly mount the stand. So you get a screw to fix both of the pieces. This is how you have to insert here. This is a 27-inch Full HD LCD monitor which is based on the VA panel. This monitor has a curvature of 1500R. It supports max refresh rate of 180Hz and has 1 millisecond response time. It also comes with AMD FreeSync technology which helps in better gaming experience. This is how the backside looks, which is completely made of plastic. And I feel the material used is somewhat on the cheaper side. So you get a wall mount here. And this lock system where the stand connects is also not very strong, so it should be handled carefully. Coming to the ports, you get a power connector, two HDMI ports, and one display port. The monitor control buttons are placed at the bottom along with a power indicator. This monitor doesn't come with inbuilt speakers, so if you're planning to use this monitor for any of your builds, make sure you have an additional speaker system. That's all about the looks and the features. Personally, I'll be using this monitor either for editing or casual gaming. Because of its 27-inch wider screen and a curved design, it gives a better feel in both the use cases. I bought this monitor for 12,800 rupees from Flipkart. Usually the online prices keep fluctuating, so if you're planning to buy, make sure you get a good deal. That's all about this video, guys. In my next video, I'll be sharing you the information on actual PC components I'll be using for my build. Stay tuned, and for more updates, subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I'll be back in the next one.